Hello, and welcome to the instructional video about reading records found in the ERIC database. This video will cover reading and understanding the components of an ERIC record. To start, we'll need to enter the ERIC database from the University Library System webpage. The address for this is www.library.pitt.edu. Our next move is to go to the blue tab box in the center of our screen and select the Databases tab. At this juncture, we can either select the E to find the ERIC database by name, or we can alternatively look for the database using the By Subject link. After we click through the Education Databases link, we can browse a curated list of education-oriented databases. Among these, we will find the ERIC database. Next up is to do a general keyword search. Let's type in the terms instructional technology. Each item in our search result list is linked to a full record. Click on a hot link title to see the full record description for an item. Each ERIC record is broken into informational fields. For example, the title of an article is within the title field of the record, and the author's names are within the author field of the record. The record gives us all the information we would need to cite this resource in the APA style. We have the author's names, the title of the item, the source where the item was found. In this case, it's from Contemporary Educational Technology. There's a volume number, issue information, the number of pages, and the date of publication. When searching, we can limit our search to finding terms within a specific field of an ERIC record. This is especially useful if we want to find all the works by one specific author. One of the most important fields in the ERIC records is the descriptor field. Descriptors are terms used by ERIC to identify the major topics covered in a given item. Descriptors can be very useful. Descriptors often can suggest alternative, more exact, disciplinary search terms you can use. For example, while we used instructional technology as a search term, the ERIC descriptor used is educational technology. Another helpful element of an ERIC record is the abstract. The abstract is essentially a supremely condensed version of a resource. This version of ERIC also displays a link to full text if it is provided. There are numerous ways to go about finding full text, but first, let's check the availability field to see if that is an option here. And yes, we can get the full text from there, this route, this time. Some items will have a link that reads Check Article Availability. It will be on the left-hand margin of the screen, like in this example. If for some reason we don't get either of those availability links, we can copy the title of the journal and paste it into the EJournals tab on the ULS homepage. If the library should have a copy of the journal we need, it will display the results on a page that looks similar to this.